Well, hopefully you guys are watching this before Monday. And why am I worried? Well, I'm glad that you asked that. Cue the fire. I have to say that Bank of America, not so good. Their Fed test was a complete disaster. And for some reason, no one was covering it. But that is why you come to Johnny Bravo for what people won't cover. Also, I need to ask for an apology. Yesterday's video, everyone was like, oh my gosh, I had to lower the speed. You just go so fast. And I say yes. My wife actually says the same thing. She's like, can you slow down a little bit? So I figured I would fix it for you and have a few margaritas prior to filming. So if I am currently slurring my words, my apologies. Also, really quick, shout out to us. I'm in Texas now. My wife and I like this song, Chicken Fried. I did not know it was so old, but she has been playing it all day long. So shout out to Zach Brown band Chicken Fried. I'm from California. I'm losing my rap roots. What is happening? But Bank of America, stress tests. Oops. It was you see this? It was a disaster. Well, if you're a shareholder. So this does not mean move all your money out of Bank of America. We're all gonna die. No, we're talking these things. We're talking the stock. You're like, Bravo, I don't even invest in stock. Well, what are you doing? Let me show you what is currently going on. Let me draw one line. How am I doing? Am I okay, officer? Everything okay over here? All right, I could just, even though I had a few margaritas in, I know this is a wedge, and this is actually kind of bullish. So even though I day drink on Sunday, that is terrible. Oh my gosh, Bravo, what are you doing? Looking at this. All right, so we're gonna take this. I'm gonna show you. When it finally breaks, which it did, but no, it's not going to happen. But on a downward wedge, this thing should maybe about right there. Yeah, no, it was a nice little break. So I say you just take your 4, 5, 6, 7%, call it a day. Since I cannot make this shut up, it is National Tequila Day. I am taking one for the team. So 75% off if you would like to learn how to do this with these lines. Do this. That's my CSU course. You can do that one, but I would highly recommend you start with swing trading. This isn't swing tradable because you're, see that? See where my finger gets cut off? I really want to hit that tip. I can't make it. But you are far below that 200-day moving average. This is not a swing tradable stock. If you want a swing tradable stock, grab my Bravo's daily watch list that you make me say, hey, get up every morning. Rise and shine. Also, this just flashed across my screen. I love America. I love freedom. But hey, you guys, and I know it's MSN, not definitely biased. On the campaign trail, many Republicans talk of violence. Hey, let's not. I mean, I get it. I fought for our freedom. Most important thing, if you are currently in the United States of America, that would be freedom. And yes, Johnny Bravo picked up rocket launchers and went overseas. I'm like, what am I doing over here with rocket launchers? They're like, you're protecting our freedom. I'm like, we're over there. I will have to say I was a little confused at 19. Also, a lot of you are sending me, even the ninja. He's like, oh my gosh, Russia, China, they announced a new global currency. And I give that a big, a nothing burger. So unless I see something, I will let you know. When it becomes more than a fart, I'll let you know. You see, I think the things that you are more worried about are things that affect you, which that could, but take a chill. You're okay. About 45. This is definitely going to affect you. If you're in the job market, if you're looking for a job, almost half of small U.S. businesses are what? Freezing hiring. Oh, soaring labor costs, inflation. Well, I have a solution. Hey, California, why don't you stop making minimum wage $20 an hour? Oh, Johnny Bravo, you are so full of that. Come on, $20 an hour. I'll move to California if it's $20 an hour. Well, get a packin' there, my friend. July 2022. How much Hollywood? Okay, you know what? I stand corrected. $19.35. $19.35 an hour minimum wage. I mean, can you imagine 20 bucks an hour? Back in the hood, I was at $3.35 an hour. And I was happy. I'm like, that's great. I can save for my lowered mini truck. And now, what are we stressing about? Stressing about this guy. What's Jerome doing? What will the Federal Reserve kill the stock market bounce? Which is sad. It's like, because the truth is, yeah, this guy, this cat, Jerome, he's gonna kill it. But actually, he's not gonna kill. He already killed it. So if you guys are like, yeah, this guy is going to be in charge of the stock market bounce and then continuation. Also, if you want to know when said reversal, when is this thing all going to turn around? Well, wait till they pivot. I know all the YouTubers, especially crypto, they're like, remember, dollar goes up, crypto goes down. Dollar goes up, gold goes down. Dollar goes up, silver goes down. These are just basically fundamental things that you can go back in history and see based on charts. For those of you that are investors, you're like, I'm just waiting for the bottom. Okay, well, you got some more waiting to do. That's okay, because trades are based on the wait game. Most people are not. They're just like, I gotta buy something. Same thing with the housing market. You're like, can I buy now? No. Skylar, just relax. But oh my gosh, prices are coming down. They just started to come down, and people are like, bye-bye, San Francisco, bye-bye, Austin, wherever they are from. People are leaving. The top 7 U.S. cities, well, that would be all of them. Home buyers are seeking to leave because, you know, cities are going to get hit the hardest. That's just how the game is played. But in case you wanted to know exactly which one, Los Angeles, duh. San Francisco, yeah, well, you can go there. Just make sure you have a tent. New York, Washington, D.C., Seattle, Boston, and Detroit. But also, just to wrap it all up, sorry about Bank of America. Sorry about the entire system. Sorry about the violence. Sorry about everyone and Google. I don't know if you guys caught this. Blake was let go over here. If I can just get my mouse over there. Sorry, Blake. Google's first, what was it? Fires Blake, who called, you know, their AI. It's like, oh my gosh, this is human. Google's like, oh, sorry, Blake, we're going to have to let you go. But at the end of the day, stop the jobs. Blake, you got this, man. Start a business. There you go. You're a smart guy. Start your own business. I'll whatever you need. I shall give you a shout out on your crowdfunding campaign. Whatever you need, man. Maybe write a book. Oh, hey, that's a business. Tell us what is really going on with the shenanigans. I will pay for that. See, you tell them what's going on, and I tell them how to trade it. Also, take advantage, 75% off. And enjoy the weekend. I'll see you tomorrow.